Are you sure these people want us?
I know they do.
You can call me Mama.
It's hard to feel like I'm the only one who sees these things. 70% of the kids in the system are there because of neglect. The other 30% are put through hell. We need your help.
Can you imagine our kids on their own? We can't just look away. The state ain't no family.
Are you sure these people want us?
I know they do.
You can call me Mama. Oh, Lord.
If we can't wrap our arms around the most vulnerable, then what do we have? Noise! And the children can't take the noise anymore.
This is something that we must do.
22 families want to adopt. Whole town wants kids now.
That's about right.
What's happening with Possum Trot could mean a huge change for the system.
We want the ones that nobody else wants.
Who hurt you, baby? I'm not giving up on you. You can't give up on me either. What we gonna do? Everybody's falling apart.
I'm doing the best I can.
The real world hits hard.
I don't want to be here! I can't give him back.
We gotta work on this together. We your people now. And love never gives up.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth Mitchell, and I play Susan Ramsey in the powerful new movie from Angel Studios, Sound of Hope, the story of Possum Trot. An army of hope is assembling for kids this July 4th in theaters everywhere. This movie is based on the true story of a small community in East Texas who decided to embrace kids in the foster system nobody else would take. 22 families took in 77 children who were in the greatest need. It's a beautiful story of hope and love, and I'm so excited for you to see the power of families coming together to stand up for the most vulnerable amongst us, our children. The goal is to bring together this army of hope, starting this 4th of July, 1 million strong, for the 100,000 kids in America who need a home. Click the link below or go to angel.com/hope to get showtimes right now. Help us send a loud message together that there should never be a child without a home.